Right, let's have a look at reconciling our supplier statements. So, first of all, think about what we would have, not in our double entry, but as our memorandum account or our subsidiary account, as we call it, basically our list of everything that's happened with that individual supplier. We've got the following. So I just want to talk you through it. We say, right, yeah, we did have an invoice from them, because we bought something of 174. Then we bought something off them worth 144. Then it seems I paid the 174 original invoice off. So I've got a balance of 144, invoice 116. Then it seems I've paid 72, but then I notice it's not a payment, it's a credit note, and it says credit note 116. So they've given me a partial credit on invoice 116, which is fine. Then there was another invoice for 114. So overall, I think I owe the supplier, 186. So far, so good. But now I've got to see what they think I owe them. So via email or through the post, we receive a supplier's statement. And we think, oh dear, they think we owe them 510. We think we owe them 186. So you just got to go through and kind of tick them off, reconcile them. So starting off with that 174, which as you can see is for invoice 105, but they've put invoice 105 in at 498. There's obviously a potential error. Now, in the exam, they'll probably tell you what the potential error was, but we know that invoice 105 is a potential error of 498 compared to 174, a potential error of 324. Okay, let's keep going on. We said we've got written in that we made another purchase of 144. They agree, they've got that. Then we think we paid them 174. They agree, they've got that. Then we think we got a credit note of 72. They agree, they've got that. Then we think we made a payment of 114. They agree, they've got that. And that's it. So the only difference between our 186 and their 510 is that 324. And what you've just done there is a supplier statement reconciliation. Let's just do it more formally. You start off with your own balance, the balance per your individual supplier account, which is that 186. Then you put in all the errors you've found, or the differences, 324, and that should equal your balance per supplier statement, and there it is, it does.